Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Analytics with Amrita. So today we are going to solve one more question, that is write a query to solve all the orders in technology and furniture category for the order placed in the year 2020 only. So let's bifurcate the question first. Write a query to find all the orders. This is our first part of the question. The second part is the category should be technology and furniture only. Okay. And the third part is the order placed in the year 2020 only. These are the three parts of our question. So let's write our first part of the question, which is write a query to find all the orders. How we will write? We will write select star from orders. So we are get from this. Let's run this query and we will get our first part, that is find all the orders. This is our all the orders. The rows are 9994. This is our all records. Okay, now we will go to our second part of the question, that is the technology category should be in technology and furniture. So we are putting our where clause, where category, because here two categories are mentioned, so we will use in function, because two exact categories are mentioned. We will use in function in keyword and we will put bracket technology and furniture, right? These two conditions are fulfilled and we will close our bracket. Let's run this. And now right now we have um, row row count as 9994 and categories as office supplies, technology and furniture, as you can see here. So let's run this. After running, you can see the row count reduced to 3964. That means office supply, the categories which have office supplies are eliminated, and now technology, the category which have technology and furniture, the orders which have technology and furniture as category is there. So now let's go to our third part of the question, that is order placed in 2020. So for that we will use and here. Okay, so what is the order placed? So that means the order date should be in 2020. That means we have to use between keyword, between. So we have to use between. Okay, so here between, what is the first date of 2020? That is 2020 0101. Okay, and 2020 12/31. This is our last day of 2020. Now let's as you can see, the order date is here mentioned. So here you can see 2021 is also there, right? 2018 is also there, 2019 is also there. Now once we run this query, we are expecting only 2020 here as the year. Okay, let's run this, and the data which is right now is 3968. It will also reduce now, because whenever we put more condition, the data gets reduced. Okay, so let's run this. So now as you can see, the data is reduced to 1021 only. So here as you can see, there is only 2020 as year date, right? There is no 2019, 2018 or 21. Only 2020 data is available. So this is how we can solve these kind of questions. Okay, thank you.